If you want a breakfast that tastes like dessert and packs 30 grams of protein per serving, these high protein overnight oats are your new go-to. First recipe is peanut butter protein overnight oats. So we're going to start with 50 grams of regular porridge oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, vanilla protein powder. I think that's the best flavor for this. It's the most neutral. Some cinnamon, vanilla extract, peanut butter. I'm using crunchy, honey, and then 150 mils of milk, or you could use almond milk if you don't have dairy. All you've got to do is stir all of that, pop the lid on it, and then just stick it in the fridge until the next morning. Next up, we've got chocolate overnight oats, probably the easiest out of the lot. We're using the same base, that is porridge oats, a scoop of protein powder and chia seeds, and then we're going to add in a teaspoon of drinking chocolate, a little pinch of salt, and then some milk. That's it. Again, just mix it up so it's nicely combined, pop the lid on it, and then stick it in the fridge until the next morning. And finally, my favorite, blackberry and lemon protein overnight oats. Same base, we're going oats, protein powder, and chia seeds, and then we're going to add in zest from half a lemon, some vanilla extract, honey, again, a little pinch of salt, and milk. I mean, how easy are these? Although slightly different for this, we're going to stir it all through first, and then we're going to gently fold in some more blackberries. We don't put them in with everything else because they could break up. You don't want them to get smashed, you want them to stay whole, and then just pop the lid on it, and that goes in the fridge too.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
So there we go, super easy breakfast, 30 grams of protein each, and if you want the full recipe for all of them, you can get them in my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!